breakout rooms automatically, and I do not know how to stop it from doing that. But it's put her in a breakout room and I cannot get her out of there. What is her name on the computer? Tell her to leave the breakout room that she's in. Zoom is very inconsistent. It is different every day. I never check the box telling the computer to assign people to breakout rooms. I give up. So Royce, you spoke with both, correct?
I did. I mean, I could use maybe 2 more minutes with the second person here. I was just talking to him, well, about to talk to him about bond.
All right, Matt, the attorney needs a little bit more time with the second subject.
2 minutes would be fine.
Now Maria is the host of this. She's going to have to move you two into a breakout room.
Okay, I see the invite here to join number 3, so I'll click on that now.
Okay. No, where I have to have.
I am ready whenever the court is. I gotta go, Dan.
All right. Morning.
Morning.
Let me fix this up. This doesn't like background. Who's Al Hindman, the magistrate? It's video arraignments with Romulus PD. Who's going to be first?
Mr. Thomas, your first file.
Okay. Mr. Thomas, you have an attorney present in the courtroom. He's going to put his appearance on the record.
Royce Numney appearing on behalf of the defendant. We would waive a formal reading and ask the court to enter a plea of not guilty.
Okay, I'm doing some paperwork as we speak. This is an arraignment on a larceny in a building, correct?
Correct.
Case number 20-0571, Kali Amir Thomas, correct?
Correct.
Yes, I had a different case number, but I don't know if it changed maybe.
Well, I'm going off an ROA of a larceny in a building with an alleged offense date of 11/18 of 2019.
Yeah. Okay, what was the case number that you had?
And I'm looking on the felony complaint and it shows a case number of 19-29978.
Yep.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
So we're going to go with that case number?
Yeah, I think I'm looking at the exact same thing you are.
Okay, Royce, go ahead.
Okay, yeah, so we would ask the court to consider a personal bond on Mr. Thomas's matter. He's indicated that this is his first offense. He is working at a temp service. He's been there for 3 months. He's living with his grandma in Detroit, not on probation or parole, and he has no warrants. So he seems sincere that he wants to get back to court and get this thing moving and get it taken care of. So we just ask the court to consider a personal bond.
Sergeant, I'm going to go with your bond request. You have no issue with a personal bond, correct?
Correct.
Okay, I just was told by the director of these arraignments this morning that the correct case number in this case is off the ROA for the court that shows this case in our system at the court, and it's 20-0571.
Noted.
I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty on Mr. Thomas's behalf. I'm going to schedule this matter for a probable cause hearing on March 24th this year at 10:10 a.m. courtroom number 3 by Zoom. Doing some paperwork, sit tight. Mr. Thomas, your bond's $5,000 personal. You can have no contact with a complainant victim in this case. Do you understand that?
Mhm.
Oh. Sergeant, you're good with that, correct?
Yes, yes, we are. Thank you.
Um, That's going to wrap up Mr. Thomas in 1 second here. All right, Mr. Nunley, you're good with this arraignment, correct?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Sergeant, you're good, correct?
Yes.
It wraps up Mr. Thomas.
Now she can go over to the wall there and I'll bring it. Mr. Gray?
Give me 1 second to shift this back. Waiting for a response from the court for an email address. Okay. We're Gray, Mr. Gray's next, correct?
Yes.
This is a arraignment on a controlled substance felony warrant with an alleged offense date of July 7th of 2017 out of Huron Township. Mr. Gray, your full name for the record.
Shard Dietrich Gray.
Mr. Gray, you have an attorney present. He's going to put his appearance on the record.
Royce Nunley appearing on behalf of the defendant. We would waive the formal reading of the information and ask the court to enter a plea of not guilty.
I'm entering a plea of not guilty on Mr. Gray's behalf. We're to the bond portion of this case. I'm looking at the bond recommendation, and the police department has no problem with a personal bond. I'm doing paperwork as I talk. I'm not ignoring you, so sit tight for a minute. Oh, and it all disappears. The probable cause hearing is going to be on March 24th this year, courtroom number 3. It's going to be at 10:10 a.m. Again, courtroom number 3 by Zoom. Your bond's $5,000 personal. You can't purchase, consume, or possess any mood-altering substance without a prescription. You understand that?
Yes.
Royce, that wraps up this case. Do we agree?
Yes.
Sergeant, you're good?
Yes, can I have the case number for this one, please?
Case number is on the ROA, it's 18-1992. 18-1992.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Very good.
Is that all the arraignments we have today for Romulus?
That is. Thank you very much.
You have a good day.
You too. You're all set, gentlemen. 2 minutes to sign
All
here.
right. If they send me any more, I guess I'll see you in a little bit, but if not,
Either way. Yep.
Just have your court date. This was it. Court date, your attorney. I just need to get your signature. Perfect. So where? Right here, where's the signature? Then a date, today's the 10th. Get your property, you guys can go wait in the lobby for a ride, okay?
Is these like sanitary ones or?
No, they're not. There's some in the other room.
I don't know. I just need something to wipe my underarm on. I've been sweating all day.
Take one of those white ones. It's for something else, but it's kind of large. Yeah, take one of those white ones.
I think you got those.
Yeah, that stuff's like that's chemicals on it. You just want that.
They had the heat on.
Gotcha.
Man, I don't put that. I've been sweating all night, all day.
Really? You can allow that, child thing is needed.
Yeah,